After a dramatic conclusion to his trial, Bill Cosby waved to cheering fans outside the court. Moments earlier, he closed his eyes and clutched his cane as the jury told the judge they were hopelessly deadlocked on all 3 charges of indecent assault against Cosby.
This is what happens. Juries are stuck. When a prosecutor seeks to put someone in prison for things that are simply not presented in the courtroom.
Some jurors were in tears, all were exhausted, having deliberated for more than 52 hours, longer than the trial itself. They were clearly torn over who to believe. Canadian Andrea Constand, who accused Cosby of drugging and sexually assaulting her in 2004, or the actor's defense team, which said what happened was consensual. Nearly a dozen times during their deliberations, the jury asked to review testimony about that night.
We can never underestimate the blinding power of celebrity, but justice will come.
For many, this case was about more than one accusation and one night. It was the one chance at justice for the nearly 60 other Cosby accusers, for whom the time to prosecute had run out.
It's too early to celebrate, Mr. Cosby. Round 2 may be just around the corner.
In fact, minutes after the mistrial was declared, the district attorney said he will retry the case.
We hope that doing this and moving forward in this case sends a strong message that victims of these type of crimes can come forward.
But legal experts say getting a conviction in a second trial won't be easy.
It's going to be difficult for the prosecution in any scenario, in the best case scenario, to find 12 people that will agree to find him guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Andrea Constand didn't comment today, knowing she will likely have to face Cosby from the stand again. In a statement, her lawyer said, "We are confident that these proceedings have given a voice to the many victims who felt powerless and silenced." Some of Cosby's other accusers were in court, overwhelmed with emotion as they watched Cosby walk away.
He thought he could bury us. We are looking for reform, uncovering the rape culture in this country where victims are blamed and shamed.
Cosby's legal troubles are far from over. In addition to a new trial, at least 10 women are proceeding with civil cases against him, where the bar to prove wrongdoing is much lower. Stephen D'Souza, CBC News, New York.